Welcome, aspiring traders. If you are a complete beginner with no prior knowledge of trading, don't worry, because in today's video, I'm going to be guiding you through the essential steps to help you to get started on your journey as a trader. Trading can be an exciting and potentially rewarding endeavor, but it's super important to approach it with the right mindset and also a solid foundation. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Emily, and on Mindfully Trading, I share my journey as I grow and develop as a forex trader, as well as educational material and resources relating to trading. Alongside this, I'm also a full-time mother, and I'm currently around about 35 weeks pregnant, so I have a lot going on. I've been trading for about 5 years now, and I am currently trading my live account, and also I trade with a prop firm called the 5%ers. If you're not sure what a prop firm is, it's basically where you trade with another company's capital and you take a split of the profits. It's a brilliant way to capitalize if you struggle with a lack of capital, and I will talk more about that later in the video. But for now, let's dive into the process of starting your own trading journey. So I have got 10 points to cover in this video. I'm going to be moving through each point fairly quickly so that it doesn't run on too long. Starting with the first point, which is understanding the basics of trading. Begin by understanding the basics and the foundations of trading. Familiarize yourself with the language and understand the different markets, the different financial markets that are available to trade. So you may already have heard of the stock market, so you can trade stocks here. There's also the foreign exchange market, also known as forex. There are commodities, such as gold, silver, precious metals, and there's also the cryptocurrencies market. You may have heard of the bigger players here like Bitcoin. Take time to understand some of the key terminologies used in trading, which will help you to learn more about trading itself. I have created a separate video that talks about key terminologies, so do check that out if you are new to that. And also gain a general understanding of how markets operate. Moving on to point number 2, and this is all about defining your goals and also your risk tolerance. Super important when it comes to trading. In fact, a lot of people may focus on what they can make, but what you should really focus on is what you can afford to lose. That is what risk is all about. Clarify your trading goals and determine what you are comfortable risking in a position. Are you looking for a long-term or a short-term hold? What level of risk are you comfortable with? Understanding your goals and your risk tolerance can help you to define exactly what style of trading is better suited to you, whether you are better suited for longer-term investments, for swing trading, or for more faster trading types such as day trading or even scalping. It's really important to align these with your preferences. And when it comes to risk, I find personally that one of the best ways to calculate what you're comfortable with is to think in terms of percentages. So for example, if you have £1,000 that you are looking to trade with or looking to invest with, you may be better off just risking 1% of that. It might not sound very much, but to get your feet wet in this industry, it's definitely better to start off small and prioritize proper risk management strategies. Moving on to my third point, and this is all about education. It's so important to educate yourself. Education is vital for trading success, so take some time in investing in yourself. Invest in your own education, whether that's investing your time or whether you want to actually enroll onto a course or a mentorship program to learn more about a certain market or a certain style of trading or investing. Some of the key topics that you should definitely spend some time and learn more about is technical analysis, where you are analyzing the charts, looking at candlesticks and looking at candlestick patterns. Also, there is fundamental analysis, which is looking at news and economic events. It's so important to educate yourself about risk management as well as trade management. And then one of the more overlooked elements of trading that's certainly worth your time learning more about is trading psychology. Building a strong foundation of knowledge in all of these areas will really help to set you up with a solid foundation for your own trading journey. Moving on to my fourth point, and this is all about choosing a trading instrument for you to trade with. So this is similar to what I mentioned earlier about the different markets that are available, but we're diving a little bit deeper here, looking at an actual trading instrument, an asset. What is the actual asset that you want to trade? So if you are certain you want to trade the stock market, for example, can you dive deeper and highlight a certain group of stocks that align with a strategy you want to trade? Or perhaps you want to trade more based on news, so you're going to trade different stocks. Try to formulate a plan of how you are going to trade, focusing more on which asset you are going to trade. For example, I started off trading the stock market, but since then I have gravitated towards trading the forex market. But I have dived a little bit deeper and niched myself, and I focus now on trading just one asset group, and that is the pound against the dollar. I day trade this every day, and for me personally, I just find that a lot easier because I have really connected and learned this pair, and the way that it moves in the market helps me to actually day trade this regularly. Research and understand the dynamics of your chosen asset class to really develop that specialized knowledge base. Moving on, the next stage in your trading journey will be to find a reliable broker. It's really important to find a reputable broker that suits your needs. Now, there are quite a lot to this, and I could create a separate video talking all about brokers. In fact, I think I probably have, so I'll have a look and I will add a link above if I do have that for you guys to check out. But there are a lot of different elements to take into consideration when you're choosing a broker. You want to be able to access the correct markets. You want to be able to have customer support. You want to have the correct software. You want to have realistic fees. You want it to be user-friendly, and you want the broker to be regulated, which is where you know your money is going to be safe. So it's important to take some time to compare some different brokers. It may depend on where you are in the world, because some brokers are restricted and don't allow residents of certain countries. I have got some brokers in the description below to help you out, to get you started. So make sure you check those out. And I think that now is a good point in the video to talk a little bit about prop firms that I mentioned at the beginning of the video. So as I said before, I trade in my live account with my broker, but I also trade with a prop firm, the 5%ers. Now, the 5%ers are not necessarily a broker. They use their own broker. They're like a middleman, but I trade their account capital. So at the moment, I am trading $100,000 with the 5%ers, and we take a split of any profits that are made on the account. Now, as you can imagine, there are definitely rules to respect, because they don't want you to just lose all that money. So there is a max drawdown amount on the account that I cannot hit, otherwise I blow the account up. But as long as I manage my risk effectively, respect the rules, don't go down too close to that max drawdown, I'm able to trade that account. And at the end of every month, any profits that are made, I'm able to request a profit split. So at the moment it's 80-20, so I receive 80% and they receive 20. Now, this is the high stakes funding account. There is a challenge involved if you want to do it, because you have to prove that you have what it takes to be a funded trader. This might be a little bit advanced to where you are at the moment in your trading journey, but it does show you that there are options out there if you are starting out and you don't have a lot of money. Focus on education, building your strategies, practicing your skills in a risk-free environment, and know that there are long-term opportunities for growth and for making money in this industry, even if you don't necessarily have the money to begin with at the beginning. That's the beauty of the option of prop firms. I have got a link to the 5%ers in the description below if you want to check them out for yourself. Now, you may have heard me just mention practice trading in a risk-free environment. What exactly does that mean? Well, this is one of my favorite tips I'm going to share with you now, and that is to open a demo account. If there's anything that you take away from this video, it is this point. Practice trading in a risk-free environment. It's basically practicing in a simulator using fake money or paper money. Before risking real money, practice in a demo. A lot of brokers offer the option of opening a demo for free, so it's not something you have to pay for, but it's certainly something you should definitely consider doing. Demo accounts simulate real trading conditions. More often than not, they use the exact same software that you would use with a real live account. So you can use the opportunity to familiarize yourself with the platform, to get used to what buttons do what, the simple act of getting in and out of a trade, and then the more advanced features such as setting a stop loss order, setting a take profit order, playing around with different markets. You can just basically use this as a platform for education and for building skills with confidence and without financial risk. Now, it is also important to remember that there will come a day when you are ready to start trading with live money, with real money, and that's when you need to be comfortable stepping away from the demo. And it's just important to be aware of that. It's like taking the stabilizers off the bike. It's going to happen at some point, but it has to be when you are ready. Now, moving on to my 7th tip, which will help when you are trading and practicing in that demo, and that is to create a trading plan. Once you have gotten over just practicing and getting used to getting in and out of trades, dabbling with different ideas, when you are ready to step it up, it's time to make a plan. And this is what will take you from a beginner trader with no idea to actually stepping into the realms of becoming a real trader. Create a trading plan that outlines your trading strategy, your entry and your exit points, your risk management rules, your profit criteria. A trading plan is crucial. It helps you to maintain discipline and consistency in your trading approach. If you follow your trading plan, if you stick to it, it also helps you to avoid making those impulsive decisions and also helps you to avoid getting emotional with trading, which can be very common. In fact, I am offering a free trading plan template to help get you started if you are new and you don't know how to start. I've got a link in the description below, so if you sign up to my email newsletter for free, you will receive a free trading plan template. Moving on to my next tip now, we have gone through the process of education, of practicing in a demo, of formulating your trading plan. This is where it starts to get real and where it is best to start off with small positions. So when you are ready to gravitate from your demo to trading with real money, using live money in a real account, let's say you have that £1,000 and you put it in a real account. My 8th tip here is to start with small positions. Focus on preserving your capital and gaining valuable experience over trying to make quick profits. Trust me, I've been there, I've done it, I've tried to make quick profits. It just doesn't happen in this industry. You may get lucky once or twice and you may see the YouTubers out there who share the millions they've made, but they probably don't show you the next stage where they lose it all again. So it's really important to start off small and to just build your experience, build your skills, build your confidence, and trust and know that with this and over time, the money will take care of itself. As you become more comfortable and more confident in your trading abilities, you can gradually increase your position sizing as it is right for you. But this is where we come back to risk management. It's so important to practice risk management. Implement effective risk management techniques to help protect your capital. So how exactly do you do that? Well, there are quite a few options available. You can utilize stop loss orders in your trading. So this is where you basically put a safety net in your trade. For example, if you buy an asset, you set an automatic sell order below where you have bought just in case price drops, so that if you lose, you don't lose too much money. Never risk more than you are willing to lose. This is where it comes back to using small position sizing. And most importantly, avoid over leveraging. So it's just about avoiding risking too much money, and then if you lose it, that's it, you're done. Remember that preserving your capital is crucial for long-term success in trading. And finally, continuously learn, continuously develop, and remember that trading is a journey. It is a marathon. It's not a sprint. It takes a lot of time. Although I've been trading for 5 years now and I am consistent in my account, I'm still on my trading journey. I'm still overcoming my own personal obstacles. It never ends. There's always something to learn. There's always something to improve on. But being aware of that helps you to have the right mindset to see it through. Stay updated on the latest market news, the latest developments. Remember to continuously review your trades to help identify weaknesses, identify where your strengths are, help you to improve your trading ability, and continuously refine your strategies. It may be helpful for you to join trading communities or find a mentor who can help you with this process. Mentorship is something that I've been asked about a lot over the years, and it's something I am considering as well. So do get in touch if you are interested in that. But in conclusion, starting trading as a complete beginner with no prior knowledge can certainly feel overwhelming and can be quite a daunting process. But with the right approach and the right dedication to learning, you can certainly develop the skills needed to become a successful trader. Remember to be patient and disciplined. It is a marathon, not a sprint. And focus on building a foundation of strong knowledge base and experience. As you embark on this amazing learning journey that is trading, remember to prioritize managing your risk and to never stop learning. With persistence and a growth mindset, you can navigate the world of trading and work towards achieving your financial goals. Wishing you the best of luck on your trading journey. If you've enjoyed this video, please let me know by hitting that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel below for more content, and I will catch you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.